Well, tonight what we're doing, we're cooking some ribs, smoking them and everything. Put a little apple cider vinegar down there in the bottom of this thing. Keep the moisture in there. Loosen up the ribs a little bit. And I like putting my wood chips right on the hot coals. I think it makes a better smoke, in my opinion, than putting them in water and everything. So we're gonna let this go. This is a USA made little dinky grill. Most people in Texas know this, Old Smokey. So that's what I'm doing tonight. I'm out here in the side yard, just cooking some ribs. That's what we're doing. Hopefully Monday my injectors will be here, and I'll end up putting a video up about how to install some injectors. That should be rather fun there. Oh, and do an overhead. Yeah, we have to do an overhead too. So, alright, I'll see you guys. Have fun on your weekend. Enjoy your time with your family.